A hose end sprayer is a great tool to have when you need to make high-volume applications with liquid fertilizers or pesticides over a large area. The Solutions Hose End Sprayer is a versatile sprayer that fits onto any hose. This sprayer can spray at a downward or upward angle and reach higher elevation areas. This hose end sprayer eliminates the pre-mixing process for concentrates and features a thumb dial that adjusts the amount of water output per fluid ounce of product. The Solutions Hose End Sprayer includes the bottle, the mixing head with a connector, a suction pipe with a built-in strainer, a fan nozzle attachment, and an on-off valve. Connect this hose end sprayer to any hose and use it to apply your liquid fertilizer or pesticide of choice. First, ensure all necessary parts of the sprayer are assembled. The fan nozzle may be removed if you need a far-reaching stream of water. Pour the necessary amount of fertilizer or pesticide into the sprayer's bottle. We recommend you create a solution of 1 part water, 1 part product, and 1 part surfactant inside the sprayer's bottle to enhance your application. Alternatively, you can also create a 2 parts water, 1 part product solution. This will make sure enough water is applied to drive the product deep into the soil. Screw the bottle tight into the mixing head, connect one end of your hose to the sprayer's on-off valve, ensure the valve is set to the off position and the thumb dial is set to your desired setting. Then turn on your water source. Once you're ready, set the valve into the on position and start spraying. As water travels through the nozzle, it creates a vacuum that siphons up the product through the suction pipe into the mixing head where it mixes with the water as it's applied. With the fan nozzle attached, water will fan downward, perfect for a broadcast treatment. To apply product to the undersides of trees or bushes, you can turn the nozzle upside down to fan the water upward. To reach further spots, remove the nozzle entirely to produce a steady jet of water. Always switch the control valve off before adjusting the nozzle. When spraying higher elevations, always spray at an angle to ensure the product does not drift towards you. The Solutions Hose End Sprayer is designed for outdoor use on medium to large treatment areas like lawns, trees, shrubs, ornamental gardens, rows of plants, vegetable gardens, crops, and the outer perimeters of residential or commercial structures. Use it to apply water-soluble fertilizers, fungicides, and other pesticide products. Since the product is mixed with water during application, you'll save time and avoid the pre-mixing process. The Solutions Hose End Sprayer features an adjustable dial that controls how much water you output per fluid ounce of product. Setting A outputs 100 fluid ounces of water per 1 fluid ounce of product. Setting B outputs 50 fluid ounces of water per 1 fluid ounce of product. Setting C outputs 30 fluid ounces of water per 1 fluid ounce of product. Setting D outputs 20 fluid ounces of water per 1 fluid ounce of product. And setting E outputs 5 fluid ounces of water per 1 fluid ounce of product. There's also a setting for when you just want to water your lawn and output no product at all. The Solutions Hose End Sprayer is safe and harmless when used according to the instructions. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals with this sprayer.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.